Ho, ho, ho. Welcome to the 9th day of Christmas at the Smart Woodshop. So day 9, what does it have in store for us? FastCap Zero Clearance Tape. Now this is just a couple, but they come in a package with a few more. If you're part of the Smart Woodshop fam and you followed, you know that this Capex miter saw has been with me about 13 years. And for years, I had one of these right on there. It was only in the last couple of months that I made a custom zero clearance for it. Showed you how to do that in another video. But I put one of these on and it lasted years. So this is very durable. I do a lot of narrow ripping in the Smart Woodshop for splines, self-edge, lots and lots of material that can easily get sucked down in between the blade and the insert. It's just, there's just a little more room there than you need. I have just put blue tape on over the years and this works great. It's not as permanent, it does hold up pretty well. So blue tape magic still is worth thinking about. But now I'm ready to go ahead and put a chunk of this on so that it's a little more slick than the blue tape, and it's definitely holds up longer. Start with, I'll remove the riving knife just temporarily. We'll be putting it back on to finish up the install. I went ahead and cut it to length to what I need to cover, and also there are adjustable countersunk hex screws in this, so where I wanted to put this so it didn't cover this lever or any of those holes required me to notch it a little bit there. I'm going to go ahead and make sure the surface is wiped good and clean so we'll get good adhesion. And again, I'm just being careful not to cover anything that I'm going to want access to. Next, I'm going to raise the blade all the way up to cut the curve. So it'll be cut exactly the width of the blade. I've reinstalled the riving knife. Now the knife, I want to make some space in this to come up through there. I can see the riving knife coming up right through there, so I'm going to finish that cut a little further back. Perfect. With that tight tolerance there, I didn't have any issues with the thin rip dropping down in, and when that happens, of course, it burns it up, breaks it, and sometimes can throw it back at you. You can find these in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com. I'll also provide a direct affiliate link from Amazon in the description of this video down below. Be sure to stop by the Smart Woodshop tomorrow for the 10th day of Christmas. Merry Christmas.